Hi, so here's how I use AI agents like Claude, ChatGPT, Openclaw, Hermes to effectively manage testimonials and display them as social proof wherever needed so that they work for me even while I'm sleeping. So for the purpose of this demo, I use a tool called Famewall.io. So Famewall.io is a free tool that helps you in collecting testimonials and displaying them across different places on your website and your marketing assets. So with Famewall, you can create a free account and get started with collecting testimonials. As you can see here, there are different walls I have already created. Let me get inside this testimonial wall, which is a project. So you have different testimonials which are already collected, but in case you are just getting started, you'll be able to use the collection page like this, and you'll create a custom link as you can see here and send it out to your customers. So using this collection page, you can collect text, video, and audio and even image testimonials from your customers. So once you have collected testimonials, you head over to your dashboard, and here you'll be able to see AI agents. And there's plenty of options to collect with multiple AI agents. So let me show you how I do it with Claude. So you simply copy this URL and get to Claude. Let's get to the settings here. And once you're inside settings, head over to connectors. And once you're inside connectors, click on add and add custom connector. Let me name it Famewall. And simply click on add. So now I have connected this to Famewall, and Claude can actually get all these permissions. Like it can get my testimonial, get my wall, list collected submissions, and list the testimonials and do much more. So here's how I can use it effectively. So in case I have connected my landing page, I can ask Claude to create a marketing copy based on what my customers have said. So as you can see here, it's looking into Famewall's testimonials and trying to come up with copy based on all the collected testimonials. So this is pretty useful if you want to increase conversions using testimonials. So once you have used the words that your customers have used, future prospects will also convert into customers. So I have different walls over here, and it has picked up the best outcome for me. So here, as you can see, it has created a custom landing page copy which I can directly use. Likewise, you can also create sales page copies and even email marketing newsletters, such that you highlight a pain point that your customers are facing and describe it in your own words. You can also do this on Openclaw as well. And another interesting feature is, so in case you have testimonials from different platforms, you can actually easily import them inside your particular wall as well. For example, I'm heading over to Trustpilot here, and I have a customer who has submitted a Trustpilot review. Let me copy this, and then let me paste it into Claude, and I'll ask it to add this testimonial to a specific demo testimonial wall. So let me ask it to add this testimonial to Famewall as a Trustpilot testimonial. So now you can see it's automatically reading what's available on Famewall, and it can add testimonials on my behalf. So this will in fact be more automated if you already have platforms connected to Claude like Trustpilot, Google Business, and much more, such that you can import testimonials directly inside Famewall using this. So as you can see, it's added the testimonial inside Famewall. Let me go and check what's happened. I had asked it to add inside this, and as you can see here, it's added the testimonial right over here. So this is a pretty neat way of using your AI agents with managing your social proof and displaying them as needed. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and also subscribe to this channel. I'll catch you soon in another helpful video. Bye.